A day will come when you will beg for just one more sajdah, but you will never get it again. On the day of judgment, Allah will reveal His glory, and the believers will fall into sajdah immediately. But the disbelievers and the hypocrites will try to make sajdah, but they will not be able to. Their backs will become stiff, their spine will lock, because in this world, they refused to bow to Allah. A sajdah they ignored in this world, they will beg for it with tears. The Prophet ﷺ said, "The closest a servant is to Allah is when he is in sajdah. But one day, your forehead will touch the ground for the last time, and you will not even know that it was your final sajdah in this world." After death, everything changes. When the soul reaches the throat, the angels come close. The body becomes still. The heart stops. And the chance for Salah, the chance for one sajdah, is gone forever. Then the soul will cry, "Oh Allah, send me back. Just one more sajdah. Just one more chance." But the answer will come, "No, the time has passed. This is the life you earned." Interesting standing on the Day of Judgment. The sky ripped apart, the ground shaking, the sun placed above your head, people drowning in sweat, everyone shouting, "Ya nafsi! Ya nafsi! Ya nafsi!" And you look around, searching for something to save you, something to protect you, something to shade you. But nothing helps, except the sajdahs you made in this world. Every sajdah you made will rise like light on that day. Every sajdah you delayed will become a weight on your heart. Every sajdah you refused, you will cry for it, when crying has no meaning. My brothers and sisters, one sajdah today is worth more than 1,000 sajdahs after death. Because today, Allah is waiting for you. The doors of mercy are open. Your heart is beating. Your forehead can still touch the ground. But once the soul leaves the body, it's over. No salah, no sajdah, no second chances. So raise your hands and whisper, "Oh Allah, forgive me. Oh Allah, bring me back to prayer. Oh Allah, allow me to meet you with a heart full of sajdah." May Allah make our final breath upon La ilaha illallah. May our last action be a sincere sajdah, and may our graves be filled with light because of the sajdahs we make today. Ameen.